Hey, everybody! Welcome to our channel, and in this video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can save Google Docs and files on your iPhone. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and also make sure to put your likes. So let us get started with you. And first of all, find and open a Google document on your phone. Next, you'll need to find the document that you'd like to save to your phone. I only have one of those, as you can see. If you have many, you'll need to scroll through to find it. And then click on the three dots under the document, and then you take Send Copy. And here you can choose the format in which you will save a copy of this document, Word or PDF. And then click OK. And then you can send this file through AirDrop, for example. You can also send it to yourself via mail, Nataki, some of the social networks. You can also send it to one of your friends, and so on and so forth. But if you need to save it to yourself in the Files app on your iPhone, then you will need to save the files. And now choose where exactly you would like to save this document. You can do that by clicking here and select. Do you want to save to iCloud, or do you want to save to your iPhone? I'm going to choose to my iPhone. Now you can choose a folder or create a folder to save to. Click Save at the top. So the document will be saved in the Files app. You can check this further if you open this app. Next, I went to the folder where I moved this file to. As you can see, I have it in PDF format, and now transfer it to the Files app on my iPhone. So that's the very simple way, friends, you can save any document from Google Docs to the Files app on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes. See you soon.